Hey, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. So this week, I'm actually happy with how this turned out. Is it a fully rendered piece? No, but it's pretty close to it. And as far as concept art goes, it's pretty good. Wish I could have done it faster. I think that's my only complaint. But if you get good enough at art, if you start practicing more like I need to be, which I guess we should talk about as well, I feel like that I could get that speed going. I don't feel like I've been doing enough art. I feel like that I have not been happy with the quality of the art that I've been putting out on this channel, and I apologize for that. And that means that I just need to draw more. If you're not satisfied with your quality of art, that really is the solution, is to look at why are you not happy with it, and then specifically fix those issues by doing more art and looking at that. So for me, the art that I haven't been happy with is of people, and it's I've known for a while that I don't draw people well, but I just was well, I don't have to, and now I kind of need to for the sake of this game. And it's dude, you're not good at it, fix it. So I drew this dude. This isn't for that, but I'm happy with how the anatomy, I guess, turned out. So this is going to be another one of the shrines for the main character in the game that I'm coming up with. I have not named it yet. I probably should. I've done a couple videos on this channel about this lore and stuff, so let's talk more about this lore. So the player character's religion is one that requires this pilgrimage of going to different sites. These sites are going to be sort of hidden in or near enemy bases. And it's not because they treat them as holy as well. It's just they built in the same area because of some other unrelated holy thing that they've got going on. And it's just an inconvenience for them that you come through. You need to be stopped. They will have to shoot you, but or kill you in whatever way they do. But they are not they're not at this site worshiping it. This one doesn't really have the same aesthetic as the main character's religion, but I can make it work. I can make this make sense, but just the vibe of this is exactly the vibe that I want the game to have. Just ethereal, outside of time and space, very weird, arcane aesthetic, But anyway, at each of these shrines, there's going to be a way to, essentially turn the bad bullets and bad weapons into, usable good weapons and good bullets. And also you do the, ritual prayer thing. And there'll be a little cutscene that tells you, hey, here's how it's been going. Here's how you're doing, yada, yada, plot, plot, plot. I want it to be a solemn, quiet moment after a very loud, action-packed, everything went to hell, and you just have a moment to kind of reflect and have a quiet beat. Because the insanity, it doesn't feel good unless if you have very slick ultra kill style controls. It feels like chaos, it feels like panic, it feels bad. And being able to come back to this point of it's okay again, I feel is very much in line with what I want this religion to be, of just and yet we persist kind of thing is gonna be the thing. And having the character have a spot to reset mentally and equipment wise, as well as go here's how the story is developing, here's how your character is feeling about all this. Because I could make them kind of a blank canvas, but I like the idea of them being a character with a story and a plot. I feel that you could, deal with that character in any which way you want, but what your objective is. And so ultimately as a player, you're going to go and do what this character wants because he wants to go and finish his pilgrimage. But you get to see the pathos of the character who's what's the point of this? Why am I doing this? If I'm the last person to do this, who besides my goddess would even know that I've done this? What's the point of going through this and having that kind of coming to terms and having the goddess be hey, look, you've gotta, because that's what I'm about, this is your last moment to show love for what you have in this world. And, you know, it's for that reason more than anything else. Like, that kind of conversation needs to be having had at all of these shrines, as he starts off and he's pretty about it, and the harder it gets, the more like his, you know, faith is tested, and just sort of like, because it's not like a question of like, you know, is this God even real, right? Because that would be a normal test of faith that you'd see in a lot of things, where it's just like, you know, you've rejected me, like I've done all this stuff for you and I haven't gotten any boons in return, kind of thing. Like, a lot of times you see like that kind of crisis of faith, but this is more of a crisis of faith in the like, is there a point to this? Like, my goddess is real, but like, is this going to accomplish anything in the end? And like, I want him to have that sort of thing going, and I want the goddess to constantly be pushing him like, no, like, you gotta have hope, and you know, you gotta have this mental fortitude, this strength to keep pushing through regardless, because that's what I'm about. That's what this is. This isn't about whether or not it will go well. You hope that it will. You hope that this will be the change that will be needed in order to fix things. But there's also this realization that, like, no, actually, like, there may be no reason for hope, but, you know, like, we have to persist. We have to, as the player character, persist through these trials, because why else endure, you know, kind of thing. I social commentary, blah, 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 I guess. But, like, you know, just having that as the main story beat, I think would be fun. And I think that it would be a very, like, reasonable, like, I think that people would get the plot. I think they would get it, right? Maybe? Well, let me know if you get what I'm talking about, or if the shrines sound like they would have the kind of pushing effect that you feel like it would. Like, I'm reminded much of like Shadow of the Colossus, that like every time he beats a Colossus, the you know, thing comes and tells him like, hey man, good work, time to do the next one, kind of thing, but like not sinister and evil about it. Spoilers, I guess. Anyway, I need to thank the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow who continue to support me, even when I sometimes don't read all their names. Okay, so here's how I've set up the filter. If you are an active payer at $5 or more, that's the list I've got over here. So it should be everyone. If I have missed anyone, make sure your payment is active. I've screwed this up a bunch recently. I'm very sorry about that, but I think I got it right this time. So, thank you to the following people, starting with my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Vixie Lux. Thank you, Trusty Patches. Thank you, Toe Founder. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Spaghetto. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Seraph. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, MP. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Lunar Ray. Thank you, Katie Valent. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Count Cannoli. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aggie Wag. And thank you, Ants. Don't want to be that asshole every day. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are interested in my project. I am going to try and start doing a little bit of work here and there on it on stream. I feel like that this one would be a lot more interesting to work with as far as like with stream, because we can, you know, make the guys and be like, all right, how should we program this guy's like intelligence or whatever? Or like, do you think this gun looks cool? That kind of thing. I feel like that would be a lot easier and probably more enjoyable for the average chat member to like engage in. So hopefully this works. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you thought. I'll see you then.